Hey guys, so we are here with a Nadine West unboxing. So Nadine West, for those of you who don't know, it is a clothing subscription. So either once a month or twice a month, depending upon the subscription plan you choose. They'll send you up to 6 items, if not more, per month. Some months they send more, depending upon what your stylist is feeling and kind of the feedback you give them every month. So they'll give you jewelry, clothes, dresses. I've gotten some good things over the years with them, so I thought it was about time to start filming my journey so that way you guys can see whether or not this might be the right fit for you guys, whether or not you're interested in also doing Nadine West. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Let's see, I did pre-open it a little bit just to make this process easier. So our first item, all the jewelry comes in these little pink baggies, but our first item looks like to be a set of earrings. They're pretty simple. They are a teardrop little gold earring. Something that's interesting though, these are actually, I was digging them until I noticed there's almost like a defect in this one earring. I don't know if you guys can see that bump or not. I also don't know why they didn't, they usually come on like a little card like you would get when you buy jewelry from the store. So these, looks like my little piece of paper fell on the ground telling me how much each item is worth. So this subscription box, it does cost you, I got it for the rate of $10 a month. So if you keep anything in your box, that $10 styling fee will be added or taken away from anything you do decide to keep. Otherwise, if you don't want to keep anything, or you only want to keep some of the items, you can just send them back, slap that return label back on there, which is what they've given me. And they'll also give you this little printout of everything you received and the prices with it. So those earrings, they are $10. So I actually really like them if it wasn't for the fact that one kind of had that little defect bump, if you will. Yeah, I don't think I'll be keeping these just because of that. But not bad. I ain't mad. Let's go ahead and look at our next item. Oh, it's a cute little necklace. Let's see. I'll pull it out for you. It has a little crescent moon on it. And the necklace is $15. So if I kept it, they would just add $5 to the total for this month since I already paid $10 for the styling fee. So that's kind of cool. We'll go ahead and just try it on really quickly over the top of my current necklace, which actually, this is also Nadine West from like 2 to 3 years ago. That's cute. Not quite my style. I'm not really into the whole astrology thing, but it's cute. It's simplistic like I like it. Our next item is, ooh, it's a bracelet. For those of you who can see that. I'll go ahead and pull it out of the bag. The bracelet is $15 as well, and it is a gold turquoise. I am really digging this bracelet. It is really cute. Oh my Lanta. Let's go ahead and try that on my wrist. It does seem a little small. Oh, but it like fits perfectly. Look at that. Yeah, I think I'm definitely keeping this bracelet. And then it looks like our other 3 items are, we have 2 dresses and a top. And I'll show you those, and depending on how well they fit and as long as it's safe for YouTube, I'll go ahead and show you them tried on. Oh, so this first one is, the top is a cardigan, and this is $24. Which, normally I'm hesitant at anything leopard print, but I don't know. I think I might keep this one. We'll see. I'll have to try it on. I think that one I'll be able to try on without violating YouTube's policies. Sometimes the clothes they send, they're really sheer. And, you know, obviously you could buy, you know, proper undergarments to make things less sheer, but I'm just not about really sheer clothing. So, this next one is a beautiful gold dress. I know it's really hard to see. Oh, it has pockets. Look at that. So yeah, we'll have to try this bad boy on and see how we feel about that. And then we'll go ahead and look at our last item. It is also another dress. Oh, it's cute. Look at this. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna go try these on and I'll show them as long as, again, I'm not violating YouTube standards. I'm not flashing anything. Something that I have had an issue with in the past is I'm kind of between a medium and a large, depending on what's going on. For example, I came back from a cruise last winter and I was definitely a large, and I've done a lot of kind of lifestyle changes to get back down to the medium that I am, but also recognize that exactly how easily I can now transition to a large. Sorry, my child / cat is right here wanting some attention. Come here. Come here. Yeah, she regrets this, don't you? Don't you? Anyway, we'll go try those on now and stop getting distracted. So I thought I would give you guys a better view of all the items I received in this bag before I tried them on. Yes, I hear you, ma'am. So this is the cardigan. I really like this. I know it's kind of hard to see from far, but it's a nice long length. It's a light, fun print. I'll probably end up keeping this. Okay, let's talk about this dress. So I really obviously love that it has pockets. I love this Empress line thing going on. The length is perfect in my opinion. You can tell it ends just at my knees. I have had issues with Nadine West in the past where they send me really short stuff. And I cannot get away with that. I cannot pull off super short dresses. So they do take your feedback into consideration. If you hear anything, that is just my child / cat trying to make an appearance into this video, helping me decide. The only thing I really don't, okay, there's two things I don't like about this. So you can tell the tank I'm wearing underneath it, you can see exactly how sheer it is. So I basically always have to wear this with some sort of legging and or tank underneath. Sorry, I'm just laughing at my cat. She's playing with one of the little Nadine West baggies that the jewelry came in. She thinks they're fun toys. Anyway, so I don't like how sheer it is, and I also don't like how tight it is in the arms and the shoulder area. I'm kind of ripped if I don't, brag on myself, #humble. But sometimes that rippedness just doesn't, I don't know. I don't think it looks very flattering and things like this. So I really like this, but I'm probably not going to end up keeping this dress, unfortunately, just because of the sheerness and how it kind of looks in those shoulder arm areas. Okay, so for the other dress, I actually really love this dress, but there's kind of an issue with it. I mentioned that I've kind of been between a medium and a large over the past year, and I've had to go onto my Nadine West profile and kind of change that a lot, going back and forth as, I have different lifestyle changes, trying to eat healthier and, be more in control of my, lifestyle and nutrition. So I think honestly, I've just really confused the stylist at Nadine West because half the time I'm like, this is too small, give me a large. And the other half the time I'm like, this is too large, give me a medium. Well, this dress is a large. And honestly, you wouldn't be able to really tell it in the front, but when you get to the back, it's really gappy. This is supposed to be a peephole, but that's where the tag is. It is very gappy. There's a lot of just extra space around this line that's supposed to be tighter. So unfortunately, even though this dress is really cute, I'll walk around in it in just a minute to show you exactly how cute it is. So unfortunately, even though it's really cute, I'm just not gonna be able to justify this because I don't want to, you know, keep it, because what if I get, you know, large again? That's not healthy. I don't need to clutter my closet with clothes that are too large for me. But oh, it's very frustrating sometimes. So I'll go ahead and show you exactly. Ran into a cat toy, if you ignore that sound. Exactly how cute it is. Ugh. Yeah, it's really disappointing. I don't think I'll be able to make this dress work, unfortunately. So we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. Overall, it was a very, I thought it was a pretty good November subscription box. Sometimes Nadine West is really good about understanding, hey, like you live in the southern United States, so, you know, even though it's October, we're still going to send you some in-between weather stuff. Sometimes they're really good about acknowledging where you live in the country and, you know, accommodating for the types of clothes you might want for that time of year. Other times they miss the mark a little bit, but otherwise, I mean, it's a little chilly, but that's only because we're getting to the end of October here in northern Texas. So, I mean, you saw that I paired all of this with leggings. I can easily still wear this on the sunny days and it'll be just perfect. I'm pretty happy with that bag this month. Obviously, it would be great for them if I loved all 6 of my products and kept them all. Financially, I try not to keep all 6 products just because they start to get a little pricey. And if I didn't mention the prices while I was unboxing, I'll make sure to put them as as subtitles throughout the video. That way you can kind of see the price point. You can choose different price points for Nadine West, so just kind of gotta go with whatever budget is working for you. I will say, compared to other clothing subscriptions, this is definitely budget. Everything in at least this month's bag was under $25, I'm pretty sure. That hasn't always been the case. Sometimes I do get stuff that's closer to 30 or 35, but if you start not wanting that kind of stuff, you can change the pricing levels of what you would like to receive in your profile, and they'll accommodate for that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and comment below about what you thought.